No, you cut me the f*** ran me off the fucking road. You little dog.
I'm telling you, keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. Keep coming towards me. I will shoot you.
Come on, quit up. Quit up, motherfucker. He ran me off the road, you know it. You off. You motherfucker.
Take it as a sign of
Don't give a motherfucker. I don't care. Shoot me. Shoot me, motherfucker.
Attack me and I will put you down. You better get in your because I'm telling you.
No,
you don't know me. You don't know me. Huh?
The truck.
He followed me off the road. He's been trying to run me off the road. He hopped out his car. Who's following
got the
him?
gun on me on the road.
Because you're trying to run my off the road.
You ran me off the road.
Did he not get over and did you not chop?
Who's hopping out of whose whip? Who's following who?
You don't rip.
Okay, so if you hop out on me and you try to attack me, I will put you down. I have every right to defend myself. You
got them gang size.
I will protect myself.
No, I'm not getting my ride.
The man has a gun.
I don't give a f about no goddamn gun. Ain't nobody worried about no gun. I'm not getting in no gun. He ran me off the road and pulled a gun on me on the highway. He's gonna man up.
Why did you call the police? Why did you follow us?
Yeah,
He's gonna man up.
Why didn't you call the police? Why did you follow us?
I don't gotta call the police. He pulled a gun on me.
If he put a gun on you, why didn't you call the police?
Pulled it on me on the highway. The fake make-believe goddamn gang size. You wanna be mother.
this gun ain't make believe.
I don't give a f. I got a gun too.
Bruh,
Ain't nobody worried about no gun.
Go to your car.
Bullets hurt.
Go to
I
your
ain't worried
car.
about it. I ain't scared of you.
Go. Why can't you just go to your car?
Why? Why? That's right. That's right.
I'm at a gas station in Havelock, and I have a guy who's pulled a AK, or not AK, I'm sorry, 224 on a gun on a guy who,
You
because
ain't doing it, Blair.
and there's gun and he's
Ah, f that. I ain't riding with this. Look,
Just go to your car. It is too hot for this.
yeah.
that price too high, man. I ain't gonna get ran off the road this but you make the league goddamn gang sides. Then try to pull my punk card. I ain't letting go.
Yes. Somebody has it's a a black male has the gun. A white man is yelling at him. The white man ran him off the road.
I own weapons too.
And somebody and the guy with the gun pulled over here, and I don't know what happened, but they're yelling at each other still.
Card. Ain't no way to pull that black card. You ain't gonna run me off the road.
Please hurry.
I don't see you there, dude. I don't see you doing goddamn gang signs now. I don't see you do about any gang signs now.
My name is Dee Tendell.
Right?
What?
Black shirt, black pants.
He gonna apologize for that goddamn
Shit.
The white man's wearing
You got
white shorts. He has a shirt off.
What, you think you scared me with that?
It's
I
not
got total cancer, but I'm gonna die anyway. So just get it on. And leave that little black part on the side.
Alright, that's no. Oh, who's the little boy? I'm telling you right now, I will shoot you.
Okay.
You just sit laugh at me.
The guy's ready to. Oh my gosh.
Towards me.
What?
I am disengaging you.
Okay. Yes, they're out of the vehicle. My husband is trying to stay in between them to kind of de-escalate the situation. They're walking around our car, but
Go on the other side of the truck. Go on the other side of the truck. Why do you keep walking up to him?
Hey, just keep on smirking at me.
Okay, is he touching you? Is he putting his hand on you?
I ain't worried about that now. It's all over nobody. Pull that goddamn highway.
No, because we get in the car and go. He's still gonna follow us
Are you
again.
calling the police?
yes.
Okay, well, she's already contacting police, so I'm gonna wait for the police.
Good.
I'm not gonna leave and have them trying to chase me and find me.
Good.